Alright guys, I'm going to be trying out the baking soda DIY hair remover. So I poured 1 cup of water inside a pot and allowed it to boil. Then I went ahead and measured 1 tablespoon of baking soda and added it into the boiling water. So I stirred it and allowed it to boil until the water dried out a bit. I went ahead and poured it into a bowl to cool off. So right now I'm going to take a cotton pad, and as you can see I'm rubbing this on my arm. And after that I'm going to wait for this to dry out completely. So now that it's dried, I'm going to use another cotton pad, a clean one, to wipe out the baking soda. I'm wiping it in the opposite direction. So this is the first day. I was able to get rid of 4 strands of hair, and then I went ahead and washed it off and moisturized that spot. So guys, I repeated the same method the second and third day and it didn't work for me, as you can see. So if you tried this DIY and it worked for you, please don't forget to leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.